final results.
We'll take them to tank tomorrow. So this ain't splutters.
Said blow her up.
How about that? 320, 60. Oh, right here. Barely kept her in bounds, but that might be good enough for second. We'll see.
Who got that? Got one, I think. I don't know. That's what him and the old man did.
303.2, 303.2. Good enough for second place. The 95 Freightliner, Brent Hamilton out of Attica. Inbound again. Holy smokes, boys and girls. I think that's our farthest one yet out of the whole day.
Oh yeah, we got the big Mavericks out.
I see that.
You're not gonna watch your dad pull him?
Go! Had it flat on the floor, full gear, 15 mile an hour. She's sick.
How about that, boys and girls? 336.9.
Ooh.
He called me. He said that one's just careless. Don't call me.
Uh-oh, girl. He's down there with you.
Bird's brother.
Aiken, out of Bell Mountain, Ohio, in a 1989 Pete 362. And I don't know about you boys and girls, but I don't care how clean or trashy they look, I'm still a huge fan of cab odors. No matter what kind they are. They just don't make them like they used to.
Yeah, you watch BJ.
We'll see if Don Aiken from Bell Mountain can beat the young girl in the mid-80s. Danda's got a little competition. I think he just beat her. Come on, ladies. She even backs it up better than half the guys I've seen drive semi for a living. On your feet, boys and girls. Let's get this young lady started in the 1983 Max Super lineup. Amanda English out of Johnstown, Ohio.
Look like it, didn't it?
They cut each other off.
All right, the other sister of the young bunch, the 12-year-old Andrea English from Johnstown, Ohio. She'll also be born in 1982.
Oh, that's her. He's backing it up for her.
First semi I drove.
Dad's got to get her backed up and hooked up, but she's going to take her down the track. Make sure that box on the pedals that they taped on there for you, you can reach them. Make sure they don't fall off. Yeah, but come on, boys and girls, let's get this young lady going in this sport. That's pretty weak. I said let's get this young lady going. She beat her older sister. Huh? She set the bar at 296. I think the young sister can do it.
Down, drop it down.
Uh-oh, I think Big Sis has got a little competition. How about that, boys and girls? Let's hear it for her. 12 years old. Oh, man. 283.11. 283.11. Big Sis is going to have to teach her a few tricks to get out there to the 290-300 mark.
My brother's
But
good to there.
you got to encourage it when they're that young, wanting to get into a sport like this. I know we sure appreciate them coming all the way here.
They got one. First thing everything you got on.
I got a good name, though, for your first truck. Just call it Daddy's Money. No? Junkyard dog? Hey, you're on it.
I'm gonna get her when she goes by.
Huh?
I'm gonna get it when she goes by.
Okay.
Them girls are sponsored by Jamie Maverick Trucking Company.
It is.
Is it?
Yes. Wow.